Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can see other people's profile and follow them on LinkedIn. Watch the video till the end so that you'll be able to do the following activities by yourself. Before moving on to the video, make sure you like and subscribe to our channel. Okay, now let's move straight into the video. Open your LinkedIn app, which can be downloaded through App Store. Now here on the top side you can see search. Search for the people you want to view profile of. I want to write Jeff. Then pre-information that if you go to some people's profile, they will know that you are looking at their profile or you are viewing their profile. So let's go in to this person's profile. So this right here is his profile. Then to follow this man, simply tap on follow, which is in blue color. Now you are following this guy. Similarly, you can do to other people. Just go to this search bar and then type something like Mary. Then tap on this profile. You can go through this profile, and if you want to follow this person, tap on connect, which is in blue color. And that is how you follow people on LinkedIn. That is all for today. Thank you so much for watching till the end. If this video was helpful for you, do like, share, leave a comment down below, subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon so that you'll get notified when we post new videos.